Part 2.
Heading to the doctor? Yeah. You gonna ask him this time? About what? Our erectile dysfunction. Oh, I want to talk about it. Look, you're not alone. Millions of men with ED have talked to their doctors. I don't know. We can do this. Okay. Talking to your doctor about ED may be the last thing you want to do, but it's definitely a conversation worth having. 20 million men have had their Viagra talk. When you're ready for yours,
Are they ready for their talk?
ask your doctor if your heart is healthy enough for sex. Don't take Viagra if you take nitrogen for chest pain, as it may cause an unsafe drop in blood pressure. Side effects may include headache, flushing, upset stomach, and abnormal vision. To avoid long-term injury, seek immediate medical help for an erection lasting more than 4 hours. Stop taking
Yeah, get that butt.
Oh no! Get out of
Look at
there!
him, he
Oh, he's licking his ass! Get out of there! No, kitty, don't be gay, kitty.
What is it, Bubble?
No,
Do you
kitty,
like that?
don't be gay. Enough is enough.
anytime he wants without worrying about the meter running. So he's decided to call every mobile
What are you doing? Oh man! Kevin's business.